If you are looking for an easy dinner idea that cuts down your time in the kitchen during the week, using the oven is my go-to route, and I'm going to show you how to make this oven-baked jerk chicken thigh. First things first, wash and clean your chicken with lemon, lime, or vinegar. Once you've done that, go ahead and add your jerk seasoning. I'm using my homemade jerk seasoning with a little paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some browning. I'm adding a little cornstarch powder just to take a little bit of the wetness out, and it adds a little crunch. I didn't add too much, so it's not going to be like too crunchy. Go ahead and give it a good mix, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so every time I push a yummy recipe out, you will be notified. You want to go ahead and let this sit for about 20 minutes. Add a little salt because you're gonna need a little salt in there, and then you're gonna go ahead and bake this on a baking tray. You can marinate this overnight, or you can go ahead and do it in about 15 to 30 minutes if you're in a rush. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use this baking tray. I like using the parchment paper because it's great for cleanup and it just works better in the oven. I do have brown parchment paper, so I can get away from using the white one. We're gonna bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. Enjoy it with our asparagus, quinoa, plantain, and listen, this is the only jerk you need in your life right here at Sasu Flavors. Grab this recipe. All the ingredients to this recipe will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, follow, comment, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.